Round and round goes the wheel.
Meenu, just look at Chinu. He is rolling on the grass.
Buzz, what did you say?
Rolling.
That's how man found out about a wheel.
Found out about a wheel?
Many years ago, there were no wheels.
No wheels? Then how did people travel from one place to another?
First, they used to travel by foot. Then they used animals like bullocks and horses to travel.
Oh, they must have taken a long time to travel. How did they find a wheel?
They saw round stones rolling easily down the hill.
That's how they thought of using a round thing.
And that gave them the idea of a wheel.
That's right, Meenu. First, they cut logs of wood. They tied the logs together and put a flat piece of wood on top and started rolling it. That's how the first wheel was made.
Oh, that must have been fun, Grandma. To sit on that and keep rolling and rolling. I like to sit on a ball and roll.
Now, the wheel has become a part of our life.
Look at that bullock cart. People are traveling in it. Hey, Chinu, look at the wheels. Yes, the wheels are going round and round.
Bullock carts and cycles are the main means of transport in small villages. Those people are going to the town.
But we go to town in a bus. Yes, you can also travel by a bus. It also has round wheels and takes you faster to the town. Chuk 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 chuk. Shh. Buzz. Quiet. Stop buzzing. Can you hear the train? Come, quickly. Let's go behind the house and see the train. Look, there's a train. There are no people in that train.
Buzz, that's a goods train. It carries things like coal, oil, food, animals, etc. There are trains that take people from one place to another.
They are called the passenger trains. I also want to go in a train. Will you take me also sometime, Meenu?
Yes, I will, Buzz. When we go to our uncle's house in the city, we will take you also in a train.
Look at the sky. What a big bird. It's making a lot of noise.
Buzz, that's not a bird. That's an aeroplane. airplane.
An aeroplane? Do you know there are people inside that aeroplane?
Oh, are there people inside that aeroplane? Why?
An aeroplane also takes people from one place to another.
And aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. When we travel by aeroplanes, we can reach far off places in a few hours.
I do not need an aeroplane to travel. Buzz. I am an aeroplane.
Okay, aeroplane, calm down now.
What are you doing, Chinu? I am making a paper boat and I will float it in this water. Buzz, do you know that people travel by boats and ships also?
In this boat? Oh no, Buzz. In big boats and huge ships. People travel on water too. They travel by boats and ships in the water. When we cross the river in our village, we use the boat.
Oh, that is a boat. Remember when Chinu tried to climb onto a boat and slipped and fell into the water? He was naughty. Ha ha ha. But I knew how to swim. Can you swim, Buzz? I can fly. Can you fly, Chinu?
Oh, will you both stop fighting now? Okay, Buzz, come here now. Help me fill in the blanks. Many years ago, people used to travel by dash.
Many years ago, people used to travel by foot.
Then they found out about dash.
Then they found out about wheels.
Dash and dash also help people travel from one place to another.
Buses and trains also help people travel from one place to another.
Bullock carts are used mainly in the dash.
Bullock carts are used mainly in the villages.
Aeroplanes are the fastest means of dash.
Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Many years ago, people used to travel by foot. Then they found out about wheels. Buses and trains also help people travel from one place to another. Bullock carts are used mainly in the villages. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Come, Buzz, I am going to play with this tire.
Oh, this is fun. It goes round and round.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. How did man travel from one place to another many years back? By foot. Which is the fastest means of transport? Aeroplane. What means of transport do you use to travel from one place to another? What means of transport do people use to travel on water? Boats and ships. Which is the most common mode of transport in the villages?
Bullock cart and cycle.
Do you like playing with the tire? Do you play with the ball? Can you think of things that roll?
Bye bye, friends.